Write a note on essay Quaid-e-Azam. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was a prominent political leader and the founding father of Pakistan. He played a crucial role in the creation of Pakistan as an independent nation from Muslims of British India. Jinnah was a lawyer by profession and a skilled negotiator, advocating for the rights and interests of Muslims. Born on December 25, 1876, in Karachi, British India, Jinnah pursued his legal career in London and later returned to India to practice law. He joined the Indian National Congress initially but became disillusioned with their approach, as he believed in a separate nation for Muslims. Jinnah's efforts to establish a separate state for Muslims culminated in the creation of Pakistan on August 14, 1947. He became the country's first governor-general, serving as its leader until his death on September 11.